I want to show you two things that happen very commonly when you have a Series 60 DDEC 4 or DDEC 3 ECM and the truck won't start and it won't communicate. So number one, the power supply from your battery. So you have to make sure you have grounds and the 12 volts coming from the batteries. And sometimes, you know, it's bad wiring, bad batteries, even a blown fuse coming from your batteries to your ECM power supply. And I wanted to show you the diagram so you can see exactly what you have to check for. And what we want to check first is on this connector. So here we have the 12 volts and the ground coming from the battery. And this is the diagram for that. So we have here the letters for each pin. Some are battery positive and some are the negative from the battery. So make sure those are right. You want to check it with the voltmeter. Make sure you got 12 volts coming from your batteries. Then after that, you want to make sure that you also have your ignition 12 volts. So on pin B3, and this is your connector, your OEM connector. So here on B3, you have to make sure you also get 12 volts from the batteries. And on your ECM, it's going to be right underneath the power supply connector. If you had this problem before on your Series 60 Detroit, put it on the comment. And if you want to see part number 2 and learn more about ECMs, follow me for more.